New at 9, the Tulsa Fire Department is installing new boxes with potentially life-saving medication in them outside some of their fire stations.
They're called harm reduction boxes, and they're going to be in areas that are known to have higher risks of deaths from opioid overdoses. Fox 23's Alex Cash is live outside Station 5 in downtown Tulsa, where they're planning to put one of those boxes.
This fire station here behind me is one of the oldest in Tulsa, and it's one of the places where these boxes are going to be put up. Now, this is the first time that Tulsa Fire say that they've done something like this, but they told me that they're doing it because they're being called out to more and more overdoses.
We're responding to anywhere from 8 to 10 overdoses a day within the city of Tulsa. Not all through illegal substances, but people are affected by this.
Justin Limray, the Director of Emergency and Medical Services at Tulsa Fire Department, told me firefighters are seeing an uptick in overdoses. Because of that, he says they've decided to bring in these. They're called harm reduction boxes and will have special medication kits in them that people can take for free that can help someone breathe again if they're overdosing on meth or fentanyl.
The idea is that anyone can walk up to them, open the door, grab a kit, and maybe save a life.
This box will be outside. It's not locked, and there's no code that is necessary to get in it. So you can walk up, pull the door down, grab this life-saving item and take it.
Speaking to Limray, he told me the boxes are going to be put up outside these 4 fire stations across Tulsa. He says they're the areas where they've seen the most overdose-related deaths.
Is it very likely when you've overdosed or someone has overdosed on some sort of substance that there is usually someone there with them? And so these Narcan kits that are provided give someone the ability to save a life.
Tulsa Fire Department has teamed up with Grand Mental Health for this. The kits have the overdose reversal drug naloxone in them, as well as fentanyl test strips. Grand Mental Health's Chief Administrative Officer, Jeff Harlan, told me that the fentanyl test strips are very important in the fight against addiction.
Unfortunately, we're not going to be able to stop people from using drugs. Our goal is to get them into treatment if they're willing, but if they're not, we want them to be able to test the methamphetamine to make sure that there's not fentanyl in them. We want to save their life, and hopefully at some point in the future they will be willing to stop using.
Again, the kits inside the boxes are free. The boxes are being installed this week, and they'll have a special QR code on the side of them that'll link people to recovery services. Now, Tulsa Fire say they're going to be watching the overdose numbers in the areas where these boxes are going to be installed, and if it's successful, if they see those numbers coming down, they might roll out this initiative to other fire stations across Tulsa. Covering news that matters, I'm Alex Cash, Fox 23 News.